Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Both devices must share the same Wi-Fi, and the receiver must have Airplay enabled. Once done, unlock your iPhone or iPad and swipe to open Control Center. On a Mac, click the Airplay icon in the menu bar. You do this first because network visibility is required for discovery. Now look for the receiver name in the list. Tap or click it to initiate the connection and proceed to streaming options. Once connected, decide whether you want screen mirroring or media-only streaming. Screen mirroring duplicates everything, while media streaming sends just audio or video. On a Mac, you can adjust resolution and choose the receiver as the sound output. On iPhone, apps often expose an Airplay icon to pick destination. If the receiver shows a 4-digit code, enter it on your source device to authenticate. Make sure to confirm orientation and aspect ratio if video looks stretched before playing content. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center or use the Mac's Airplay menu to disconnect. Your receiver often shows a connected indicator you can also cancel. If playback stutters or lags, make sure devices are on 5 GHz Wi-Fi and closer to the router. Interference can cause latency. And if nothing connects, restart Wi-Fi, reboot both devices, and check for receiver firmware updates. This simple restart sequence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.